छुपा के रखा अखां ते सजा के, तू है मेरी वफा रख अपना बना।
Life is beautiful when it is spent with someone you love, and it is very important to make them feel special. Make their day or your day special and memorable for lifetime. Give them the memories to cherish for lifetime. And today in this video we are gonna help you make your special memories memorable and cherishable for your lifetime. Come on guys, I'm making your memories cherishable for your lifetime. You view my videos, you like my videos, but please subscribe also for my motivation. Thank you. Don't forget, click the button. So friends, welcome back to our channel Creating Funneries. But this is the new series that we have started with, Creating Funneries, achieving your dream coming true. So now when we talk about creating memories, why not make those memories cherishable for your lifetime? The surprise that you give to your loved one will be in their heart forever and ever. And many times we see some beautiful things and events happening around, and we think, how expensive these are. Can we ever do this for our loved one? But yes, you can do it, because there are people who are there to help you and organize these special events for you. So I have met this beautiful lady who organizes such a beautiful setups for you, which you can see here. One of that she has done recently for a client, and it's looking amazing over here. And I think this is a big surprise for your loved one. Come, let's talk to her and listen to her journey. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So can you just introduce yourself to our viewers?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Well, my name is Lavina. It's been 10 years I'm doing events. Basically, we are into wedding and events. So now as we are in Dubai, so we are doing lots of events, birthday parties, anniversaries, kitty parties, because due to pandemic situation it is very difficult to get weddings at this moment, and we also have to understand the rules and regulations from DHA. So yes, we are doing beach events these days, which is lovely. You people can come and give surprise to your loved ones, and you can spend some time on beach, because this is something different.
Cherishable memories.
Yes,
Yeah.
because every time we are going to restaurants, we are having food, we are doing everything, we are going to malls, but this is something unique, something different, which everyone is looking for. So yes, it's been 1 year. I have started this and I'm doing well. And I'm very happy that I am here in Dubai, because people are really good and they are really, creative, and they want to do something creative.
Okay.
So yes.
Yeah, so this was nice, knowing you, how you started and all. But for my viewers, if you can just tell them, how you started, why only going into event management? Was this your passion for ever, or you decided suddenly or something?
Well, yes, I'm very passionate about events, because I started my journey 10 years ago.
Okay.
So at that time I was in India, I was in New Delhi. I'm from New Delhi basically. So yes, I was I was not into studies and doing job and such kind of things. So yes, I started doing events.
So you have been doing event planning in India also?
Yes, I
Okay.
still have company in India.
Okay.
We are still doing events in India, but the situation is not good at this moment.
Correct.
So that's the reason we have stopped it there. But yes, we are doing it here, and very soon we'll start doing in India.
Okay.
So hope for the best.
Yeah. COVID times, you can just hope for the best.
Yes, I
and
wish
we are
everything
blessed
will
to
be
be
okay.
in Dubai actually.
Yeah, but I wish everything should be okay in India also, because many people, many relatives are there, many friends are there. They are struggling with many things due to COVID.
True. And when you started your journey in India, so like when you came here in Dubai, so what were your struggles in Dubai? What the challenges you faced? Because it's a new place for you, and establishing yourself in a new place is little difficult and challenging.
Yeah, it is very difficult. When I came to Dubai, I was not aware about anything, about the culture, about how people go out, what they do. So slowly I started observing people, what they are doing, what they want, what is their requirement. So yeah, it is difficult to start your venture in a new place, but it is not that difficult. So yeah, I started by doing this beach event only. So I started by like 2 people only. So there was only 2 people when I started this event. But now I have a team, and we are doing good.
That's nice.
And what main struggle is when that there are lots of competition. There are many people those are into event management. And what is the USP of Dubai? That people, those are like the guest and the customer I'm talking about, they are doing events with many event managers. So the USP, which is really a good thing in Dubai, is like people don't leave their event manager very easily. So this was the task for me to get clients, because we have vendors, we have everything, we can make our own stuff, but we need clients. So this is the main thing which is very important. Yeah, it was very difficult for me in beginning, but now I have many clients, and they are every time they are giving me events. So last month I did a very big birthday party for a person which I can't disclose at this moment.
Okay.
You will see our Instagram very soon.
Okay.
So we'll update it. So yes, I have done a good event last month also, and I am fixed vendor for them. Now I'm a fixed event manager for them. So they are giving me events
They
like
love your service actually.
Yes.
Okay. So any, because see, there are different type of clients when you get. Few people are very easy to handle, easy going, and they will adjust and accommodate in few things. But
Right.
have you met a tough one?
Yes. Recently we have done a birthday party here on beach only. So at that time client was very happy with the environment, with the ambience, the decoration, food, everything was good. But what was the problem? At that time Ramadan was going on. So due to pandemic situation, there was some restrictions. So what we told our customer, not to take pictures with the group. But they were like, no, why are you stopping us? And client got annoyed. So at that time there was difficulty for me. Like it was very difficult for me to understand them.
Correct.
But
they have to follow the guidelines.
Yeah, which we always, because if DHA is giving any guidelines, any rules and regulations are there, we always follow. We never go beyond that. So yeah, but I have good clients also. So there is a client who organized her husband's birthday for 50 days.
Okay.
Because he completed his 50th, so she organized every day something for about 50
that's really
days.
nice.
Yeah, she's a lovely woman. So yes, we did events for them also.
Okay.
So yeah.
So any wedding also you have planned till now? here
Yeah,
in
we
Dubai?
are doing a very good wedding in the month of February 2022. It's a big fat wedding which we are going to do in Dubai.
Okay.
So we are planning for that, but right now the situation is not good in India, as you know.
Correct.
Because client is also from India. So now we are working on it. And there are other weddings also in the month of November, December. Yes, we have weddings.
Okay. So any high profile person in Dubai for that you have organized till now?
Yeah, we have many clients.
Okay.
So yes, there are many clients. Those are high profile, those are on good designations. So definitely we are doing it. And we are into event management, so we are into celebrity management also. So we have good actors like from Bollywood. So we have many celebrities, like people are calling them for their weddings.
Okay, so you have contact, like you can organize a celebrity coming to
Yes.
Dubai for an event?
Because in our company, we are into wedding and events. So in wedding, we are doing catering, decoration, we are doing entertainment. And in entertainment, everything comes.
Correct.
Whether it's stage, setup, sound, music, dance, Bollywood celebrities, anybody. I mean, everything is included.
Nice. That's really nice. So one more thing, like now as we started, this is a budgeted setup. Those people who cannot shell out that much money. So like, can you just give us an idea, like a setup like this, how much it starts from?
Well, it starts with 550 dirham.
Okay.
And there is no limit, sky is limit, because it depends on services, what services our guests are taking from us. Like
Okay.
today, the event which we are doing, so we have musician also, right? So there is a person who's giving surprise to his wife on her birthday.
Very
So we are
nice.
giving them good services like food, beverages, then musician, then photographer. So many things are there.
Okay. Okay. So this setup with including all this, since we are here today to capture it, how much is this one for?
See, as I told you, there are many things which is included, like
Correct.
photographer and other things. So we are charging 2,000 dirham.
Okay.
But our packages starts with 550 dirham. So many people, those don't want to spend money,
True.
they can come and they can book with us. And setup will be same, so they can enjoy the setup, because there is no difference in the setup, because this is lower sitting which we are giving, the pallet sitting we call this.
Okay.
And we have another setups also with proper tenting, with table, chair, proper dining system is there. So it
Okay.
depends on the packages, it depends on the setup which they are taking.
Fine. So it was really nice talking to you, because this is something that, gives you memory for your lifetime.
Yeah.
And for our subscribers, we have a surprise, as always, that Lavina is going to tell you.
Well, generally we don't give discounts, but yes, for creating Funneries, we are giving discount of 5%. So please book us, please come and enjoy your moments and make your memories. Thank you.
So thank you. It was really nice meeting her.
Thank you so
She's
much.
Very nice. You must come and make your memories memorable for lifetime. So if you like our video and this concept, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.